Did you know ukuthi twins can have the same mother but different fathers? And understand the amawele can have the same mother but two different fathers. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama asiqale. There is something called a hetelefukapukashikashin. What is that? A heteropaternal superfecundation is one of the rarest forms of human reproduction. The name sounds complicated, but it is very simple. Understand what hetero means different, paternal means fathers, and superfecundation means fertilization of multiple eggs during the same ovulation cycle kumuntu wesifazane. A woman can give birth to twins, the same mother, different fathers, and understand. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi during a woman's cycle they are supposed to develop one egg, but sometimes it happens that she has two eggs. So when that woman has more than one partner, when that partner releases the waters of life, it fertilizes the first egg, and then the second partner will release the waters of life too, and they will fertilize the second egg, and then kuphuma amawele. If a woman hugs two different men within a short period of time, a few days, one man's waters of life can fertilize one egg and the other man's waters of life can fertilize the second egg. The results, two babies born at the same time, same mother, different biological fathers. They are still twins. Understand ukuthi they are still twins, ukuthi they are half siblings, different fathers. The waters of life can remain alive in a female's reproductive system for up to 5 days. So imagine Monday she hugs woman A, Wednesday she hugs woman B. Ovulation occurs around that same time and two eggs are released. Two eggs are fertilized. One belongs to woman A, the other one belongs to woman B. And understand the waters of life will be released and they will stay in her reproductive system for 5 days. They are twins, kodwa i-DNA yabo ayifani. Ngeke ungitshene ukuthi you have never seen amawele that don't look the same. They came from the same mother. They were born at the same day, but i-DNA iyalwa because they don't have the same father. And understand they are twins, but they have different fathers, and so they will have different skin tones, different hair texture, different eye colors. They will grow to different heights, have different facial expressions. Lamawele, they are the same. They have the same mother, but they have different fathers, so they will not look the same. This thing is real. It has a name. It's just that in the black community, asifundiswa ngayo. It is called i-heteropaternal superpecasis. I-heteropaternal